For continuous air and water barriers on your next build, choose Zip System products to seal tough jobs in a flash. With 13 flashing options, Zip System flashing tapes, stretch tapes, and fluid-applied flashings help lock out water and air around doors, windows, panel seams, foundations, and pipe penetrations. An advanced acrylic formula allows Zip System tape application from 0 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. New flashing tape sizes are now available in widths perfect for larger areas like roof valleys and outside corners. Also try new 3-inch Zip System stretch tape for tighter twists and turns. For smaller projects, Zip System flashing and stretch tapes are available in 20-foot rolls. Easily flash corners and curves in wet, cold, or hot conditions. Backed by a 180-day exposure warranty and 30-year limited warranty, Zip System building enclosures are the fastest way to a tight, dry house. Find your flashing fit today. Visit ZipSystemCeilingSolutions.com to learn more.